Hey, Julia wants to show us something. What do you want to show us? And what do you say?
Muscles.
Let's see them. Show them to us good. Whoa! Look at that gun show. Don't hit yourself. Show us your tickets. Or show us your guns and say, where's your tickets to the gun show?
Where's your ticket to the gun show?
Yay!
Where's your gun for your gun shot?
Where's the ticket to the gun show?
What?
Give me one more. No, don't stand on the table.
Or if you don't have your gun, you will not get a prize.
Let me see the gun show one more time. Go like this. Whoa!
Mommy,
Ta-da! Good job.